Krasukha is a Russian mobile, land-based electronic warfare system. This system is produced by the Kret company on different vehicle platforms. Krasukha's primary targets are airborne radio electronics, such as UAVs, and radar-guided airborne systems. Krasukha has many applications in the Russian armed forces. The 1RL-257 or Krasukha-4 is a Russian-made mobile electronic warfare system designed and manufactured by the company Bryansk Electromechanical Plant, Kret. The Krasukha-4 is intended to neutralize low Earth orbit (LEO) spy satellites, ground-based radars, and airborne radars (AWACS) at ranges between 150 to 300 kilometers. The system is also able to cause damage to the enemy's electronic warfare systems and communications. In November 2013, Russia's Defense Ministry has received the first electronic warfare system Krasukha-4. The stations, which will complement Krasukha-2 units already in use by the Russian Army, will provide the military with powerful radar jamming capability. More specifically, the Krasukha-4 has been described as a tool against flying radars, such as the USAF Joint STARS aircraft, or reconnaissance satellites, like the United States La Crosse satellite, and a means of protection against surveillance and combat unmanned aerial vehicles, otherwise known as drones. The 1RL-257 Krasukha-4 vehicle is fitted with a crew cabin at the front and one shelter mounted at the rear of the truck chassis. The cab can be fitted with a Class 5A armor which provides protection against the firing of small arms AKM 7.62 mm. A large turret is mounted at the top of a shelter mounted at the rear of an 8x8 military truck chassis. Two circular antennas are mounted on each side of the turret. A telescopic mast with another antenna is fitted at the rear of the turret. In travel position, the turret is stored inside the shelter. In combat position, two hydraulic stabilizers are lowered on the ground mounted on each side of the shelter. Two hydraulic stabilizers are lowered on the ground mounted on each side of the shelter. The 1RL-257 Krasukha-4 is based on a KAMAZ 6358x8 military truck chassis. The truck is motorized with the KAMAZ 740.50 to 360 diesel engine developing 360 horsepower. The truck can run at a maximum speed of 95 km per hour with a maximum road range of 1,000 km. The truck design ensures the fording depth of 1.75 meters. Mobile electronic warfare systems, Krasukha-4, suppress spy satellites, ground-based radars, and airborne systems AWACS, airborne warning and control system. The Krasukha-4 system works by creating powerful jamming at the fundamental radar frequencies and other radio emitting sources. Krasukha-4 is able to effectively shield objects on the ground against radio-locating surveillance satellites, ground-based radars, or aircraft-installed airborne warning and control systems, AWACS. According to the manufacturer, interference caused by Krasukha-4 will render radio-controlled missile attacks ineffective. The system has been designed to counter attacks from enemies possessing advanced technologies. The Krasukha-4 electronic warfare crew continuously scans the airspace to detect and classify airborne objects. The performance characteristics of the Russian Krasukha-4 complex enable Russian troops to detect and track all types of air targets, including those moving at low altitudes. This complex antenna mast device is capable of operating in any direction and rising at any angle, which makes it possible to transmit radio signals without azimuth and elevation restrictions. Krasukha-4 is designed to cover command posts, troop groupings, airfields, air defense systems, and important industrial facilities. This complex is capable of jamming radar signals and UAV radio control channels.